Okay, baby Nova. We need to have an important talk today, okay? Yesterday, do you remember? You were a little bit mean. Yeah, I know. I can't believe it either. You were biting me. You just wanted to play. Hey, get back here. Nova, come here. Come here. I know. This isn't the type of conversation you like. Are you going to be nice to mommy today? Nova, are you going to be a nice girl? You know, nice girls get treats and nice girls get cuddles. Yeah, is that what you want? Are you going to be nice? You promise? You promise? Okay. Okay, high five. Good job. Yeah, good girl.